Everybody, we're here at the airport, getting ready to head out. You can see it's pretty cold out today. Well, it's supposed to be storming, but it's not right now, so that's good. But we're headed to a warmer destination. I will see you guys when we get. We made it to Florida. The weather's a little nicer here. It's a little warmer, so we got out of that blizzard back home, so that's good. We're headed to the Bassmaster Elite event at Harris Channel Lakes. We're gonna go try to catch the weigh-ins, and then we're gonna try to meet Scott Martin today. So hopefully he's still there when we get there. We're running a little behind. Rental car took a little longer than I thought. We're a little late, but we made it. Can't zoom in. Got to meet Scott Martin. It's pretty cool. What do you think, Tyler? Fun time. Jesus. Woo! The event, weigh-in just concluded. It's pretty good. Got to see Scott Martin, and he's in the top 5 for the money. We made it. We are here. Right behind me is the legendary Daytona 500, or Daytona. Check it out. We are here.
Sets up that final stage, which is 7 yards and playing slows down.
500.
It is home state. Keep in mind, Ariel actually picked up his very first Cup Series win back here. Crystal was shoving just last game. Blaney is shoving Cedric. Blaney is shoving Carter.
It is super early here in Florida. At the airport, headed home. Weather seems pretty nice. Went to the race yesterday. Couldn't really film much there. They didn't. They were pretty anal about the selfie stick thing. So what I have my GoPro mounted to might have gotten me thrown out. So I didn't really film much of the race. Tried to film a little bit towards the end there. Race went well. Again with you guys when we get back to Fargo. Home. I don't think we're in Florida anymore. The weather's a little different here, I think. Now you can probably hear me a little better. You should have seen the drift that was right here in front of the freaking door. And you can see how tall that snow is right there. I wasn't going to be able to get my truck out of the garage. So I got home this morning. This wasn't this bad out. It's progressively gotten worse throughout the day. Took a nap. But I just got a phone call that there may be a decent sale going on at the old Walmart. So we're going to go check that out. Pretty good deal, I thought, for, well, these. I don't know why they're clearancing them out. Must be trying to get everything ready for springtime or something. But so ended up going there. Didn't film inside. I'm not sure how they are, those big corporate companies like that, on their camera policy. And I'm still new to the whole vlogging thing. Should have just filmed anyways, but you know, whatever. So we'll get better with these vlogs. Gonna have a lot of content coming this summer. Really excited to start posting more on the old channel here, and hope you guys liked the video. And thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you guys later.